I'm going to be unboxing and setting up my MUNBYN today, and I thought I should record the process because I have no idea what I'm doing, so I thought I would help you guys that also don't have an idea what you're doing to figure it out together. I already done a few drop-offs today, but those were with Yodel, and the ladies at the store print out my labels for those, so I didn't need it. But now that I have an order that needs a label, I thought this is the best opportunity to get it going and record a video. First, I'm going to start by unboxing the MUNBYN. So as you can see, it comes in a really nice box, and then you have your power adapter in 2 parts, and then we have the cord that actually goes in the MUNBYN to your computer. Thank God we have the as directions. The absolute bad boy. Really cute. There's a test label in there. That's what it looks like at the top. And as you can see, it's just such a small little surface area that it takes up. It's bigger than my UV Cura for nails. We also have a USB-C to USB adapter for a Mac, but I'm not going to need that because I have a PC. No way, they gave me a USB card reader. Let's open that up. How interesting. That's wild. What's that for? User guide. Let's just follow that. Quick printer connection. Let's do that. I'll pop the light on. You guys can see better. So turn it over. Button right there that you can press. And then, yeah, that opens up. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm going to just remove this label for a minute while I set everything up. There's only 2 places in the back that your cords can fit in. This one is going to go into my laptop. Then this one goes into the back and it goes into your power, your socket. I don't even know why that was funny, don't ask me. I'm so sorry if you guys can hear the kids' music in the back. My son is just watching his cartoons, okay? He loves them. Those are as in as they could be. I'm now going to connect this to the power. Oh, star picture! Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Now, this one needs to go into my laptop. Okay, so connecting this to the laptop. We have done step 1. Add your labels. I'm going to go ahead and use the ones they sent me. So again, button, open. Let me turn this around, hold on. Now that that's all done at the back. Gosh, the wire is already irritating, but it's okay. It says feed it through this side. Okay. That it? So these 2 bits can move right here. It's a little tough, but don't worry, you got it. And this thing, it kind of, oh, okay, it locks into position. I was scared to bend this up because I didn't want to break it and it was starting to feel stiff, so I didn't want to force it. But for the sake of everybody, it does actually lock into place. So click, and it's good. So now that we have our label, I'm just gonna go and close this up. And now it says, that scared me more than it should have. MUNBYN, can you let me know what you're doing before you do it, please? Because we need to communicate. The label setup is done, and now I need to go to a website. www.munbyn.biz/941D. So now I'm just going to click I accept, save to pCloud, and I guess I'm signing up. So let me just do that. Direct download, let's do that. It's downloaded. So I'm going to close that now, and I'm going to go to my downloads and see what's happening. Now that it has picked this up, I'm going to have to get the MUNBYN to calibrate, which means recognizing what size label is in there. Let me just open this up. Is that it? And then after that is some tips. Is it that simple? I'm just opening up this folder. Oh yeah, it says application. You want to go ahead and click yes. Let your computer do its thing. Please ensure printer is connected and turned on. It is. I'm going to go ahead and press install. Let it do its thing. And then it says, would you like to install this device software? And we want to click install again. But it's okay. We need this to work. Okay, so finish. It's opening up the internet. I'm going to scroll down until I see Windows. And here we are. Please download the Windows driver at the link below. Okay, is that it? Is this set up? In the presets, you can permanently save the settings for this printer to avoid repeat settings. That is perfect, because I was wondering, I was thinking every time I print a label, do I have to select the size? That would be long. I love it. It's working great right now. I just need to calibrate. Let's do the calibration. This thing doesn't actually say how to do it. Okay. Oh, it does. Press and hold the button and press and hold the feed button until you hear a beep. So let's check that out. I'm assuming that's done. I hope I don't have to do that every time. Is it just going to be spitting out these 3 useless labels? I'm confused. Now that I've done that, I am going to test a label. So let me just get like an example label from Google. Let's just click absolutely anything. The first one should be fine. Guys, if this works, I am just going to grab my mom's head and just kiss her like until she is tired of me and never wants to see me again. Save image as. It cropped to the label size, so it should be fine. I don't even know how I lost it now. I could have sworn I started this video with this nail and now it's gone. Now that I have my label open, I'm going to, oh my gosh, it says print. What I want to do is know the size of the label. That can't be right. 2 inches. Child, I'm gonna get me the tape. I don't be trusting things, so this label is 6 by 4. I'm going to do portrait. It should fill the page. We won't know until we try, so I'm just going to click print and see what happens. Let's go. What is this behavior? I'm gonna have to print one of my own labels. That is not cute. Okay, guys, no, what? Let's go to Canva. I'm just gonna do that quickly because I don't want to show anybody's address. I'm actually so nervous. Let's have a look with this print. Hopefully this works better. MUNBYN, already there. 4 by 6, already there. Now it shows landscape. Let's change it to portrait. Oh my gosh, that looks a lot better. The thermal printer cannot print color anyway, so it really doesn't matter if you have it on monochrome or color, but just for safety purposes, I'm gonna put it on monochrome. I'm ready to print. 3, 2, 1. Please, Jesus. Yay, guys, it worked! Look at this. Look at it right now. The hearts are even banging. Where are you, mum? I just want to hold you until your cute little head pops up. No. This is amazing. This is saving. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh. Now that I know that that works, I can just do my bits on Canva and print it with these settings that I have now. I already swear by this printer. It's only been a day. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I just wanted to unbox, set up and print my MUNBYN Thermal Printer. I'm really happy with it. I would totally recommend this. No matter what size your small business is, it is going to save you a lot of time. Invest in this little thermal printer. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know if you're thinking of getting the printer, if you just wanted to watch the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.